we are going to write a program to get second highest number from random number list. So before going to start, please like, share and subscribe my Prasad Tech channel. So we'll start now. Certain teacher comparing and comparing dot reverse adder, so it will be reverse. After setting it will be reverse. Then we want the second highest number, so we need to skip 1. So then the top it will be remove, and we want integer values, so we no need this list. Integer second highest. Now skipping get then find first. Then after that we'll get, see, we'll see the result. Now, so what we did here, this is the random number. In this it is sorted in reverse order. After that the top value I skipped, so then the second will be the first, then it will taking the find first, then getting. Then we'll see here, you can see what is the 98, 99. 99 is the highest, then 90 is the second highest. So we can execute now. $98, right? Wow. So please like, share, subscribe Prasad Tech channel.